guys, I didn't believe I would make money from these things, guys. And I was even shocked to see my dashboard. Like one day I just visited my dashboard, I saw money. I was like, ah, I have made money. What's up, guys? How you doing? I'm alright. Thanks for asking. So in today's video, I want to share with you ways on how you can make money on YouTube even before you have reached the requirements for monetization or the eligibility or whatsoever. Okay, and this has nothing to do where you're from. Even if you're from a country that is not eligible or a country that is whatsoever, you can still you're still going to make money. All right, so I just want to like show you like possibilities, like ways on how you can make money with examples that I have actually used myself, and I'm actually like earning from that. So I'm actually going to share this video. And okay, so in today's video, I want to share with you like the possibilities of you making money online using other ways, not just waiting for the ad revenue or the YouTube money. So even if you have like less subscribers, you can still be able to make money. And I was already able to make money on YouTube even before I got 1,000 subscribers and got eligible. And just to mention the numbers, I've already made somewhere around close to $700 from just making videos and doing 1 2 3, and I'm going to mention in detail what I'm talking about. And this is somewhere around like 1.5 million Malawi kwacha, and it's really amazing. And I want to share this with you. If you're still like under or these numbers, or if you already have 1,000 subscribers, you can still like adopt this way and be able to make money also. So you don't really need to go crazy about this, but just have to be ready to create content. So what you need to do is, this way is called like affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, people, the way I knew affiliate marketing and the way I do my affiliate marketing programs right now is quite different. And I think I don't know if things have changed nowadays, but I just like how I'm doing this affiliate program. So, and I even didn't know that this thing would turn out this way, because what you need to do first is you need to like have a niche in the first place. Like have a niche on YouTube, talk about something that oftenly, talk about the same thing often again and again, and people should really have trust in you that you are specialized in this particular content. Right? So the next thing that you need to do is like go on the internet, find out companies that, or just find out products that are being sold. Okay, find out products that are related to your content that you share. Let's say for example, if you share healthy videos, your niche is healthy, or maybe physics, I mean like athlete, you make athlete content for athletes, or fitness or whatsoever, you can actually go on the internet to find out companies that are actually offering affiliate programs, and look for like products that you can actually recommend people to buy. So for example, if you're in the let's say for example losing weight content, you make content about losing weight, you can actually find products that are being sold online on the internet that are about losing weight. People can actually like eat or whatsoever, and you can go to these companies. You don't have to go physically, just visit their website and see at the bottom if they offer affiliate programs. Like they say become a partner or become an affiliate or become whatsoever. You can actually just go there and sign up. They'll ask you to put your website, just put your YouTube channel, you put your website, you put some of the details, you create an account, and once you're done is that you come here on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. So today's video we're going to talk about losing weight. So you know what, if you have a weight or maybe you're berry or whatsoever, you know, 1 2 3, but there's one thing, guys, I've actually like come across this product. You can actually have the product in your hand, or you don't even have to have it in your hand. Just show even pictures, or just show like a small video. Make sure you edit the video, or just like say you don't even need like to get the product, just talk about it. Like you need to get this product. This product is sold at this you know, in the you can mention even the price there. You can say, so if you want to buy this product, there's a link in the description below, because when you sign up on the affiliate, they'll actually give you a link that people should be using to click on that link, and then they'll go to the website. So every time like people click on that website, you're going to have like your own dashboard where you're going to be seeing the metrics, and you're going to be seeing who is buying and who is not buying, and actually also see from there who is making money from whatever your product you're doing. And people actually like watch your videos, so people already know you, that you're in the niche of maybe losing weight, physics or whatsoever, fitness. They know you already, so they trust you. When you tell them buy this product, they'll actually go buy that product. They'll click on the link, it'll take them to the website, and when they buy, you're going to get a commission from there. So imagine you make a video today about losing weight, and then you post it, and then the video stays on your YouTube channel for the next 10 years. Trust me, you want to tell me that for all these 10 years people are not gonna click on your link? People click on the link because they want to lose weight. They click on the link, they want to buy the product, and they'll definitely buy. And you see that in a month you can make like 10 sales, 20 sales, 30 sales. And once like your YouTube has grown, you're going to have, you are selling your product to a number of people, right? To a huge amount of people, and you find yourself like you're making maybe $300, $400, these things. And this is exactly what I do. I'll tell you, I'm also an affiliate of a certain company. Like my niche is strictly in the forex industry. I make forex trading content, how to make money stuff, 1 2 3. And I also signed up as a partner program with one of the companies that actually offer like a pro firm company that actually gives capital to people to trade. And I actually put the link in my videos. If you've noticed my videos, they have that link always. Yeah, so people are clicking on this link, and I'm able to earn money. And I would like to show you like how much I've made so far, and I'm paid each and every month from just these videos. And these payments are coming from the videos that I've already made like 3 days ago. Like I mean 4 months ago, 6 guys. I didn't believe I would make money from these things, guys. And I was even shocked to see my dashboard. Like one day I just visited my dashboard, I saw money. I was like, I have made money, right? Like, let me show you. Like, this is the money that I've made from this website, guys. It's really like very encouraging to see this. This is like, I've made these videos long time ago, and I'm able to make money. And trust me, in as far as my videos are going to stay there, in as far as my base is going to increase, in as far as people are going to watch my video, people are still gonna go buy this product. And I've already made, like I've told you, this is like close to $700 in total when you add it. And this is like, in my currency, is somewhere around 1.4 million Malawi kwacha. This is like a lot of money. People work almost for a year to make this kind of money, to get paid this kind of money, and I'm able, like, I'm just chilled at home, and I'm able to make this money, guys. So if you're really taking this thing seriously, trust me, there are endless opportunities you can do. Even on Amazon, just go on Amazon. There are actually a lot of products there on Amazon. You can just find any product and sign up for the partner program. Oh, sorry for that. That's an ice cream man. Yeah, you can actually sign up for YouTube partner program. I mean, like an affiliate program on Amazon, and just get that product, see the name, and find videos that people have already made. You can actually do this not only on YouTube. You can make videos on Facebook. You can put the link there. You can make videos on Twitter. You can put the link there. In as far as that social media platform is allowing you to put a link, you can still do that. And that's what I've actually also done. And because of I was able to make money from those videos, it has actually encouraged me to make more videos about this particular product. And you actually see, like, most of the videos that actually pop up on my channel, they're talking about this thing, like, yes, get funded, get whatsoever, but you need to make sure that in the first place you're providing value to the people. That is why it is important to make videos that you are familiar with. Don't just talk about things that you don't really know. You might end up recommending poison to people. Okay, so also make like a very good research about the product that you are recommending, because if the product is really bad, people are going to like write things in the comment section like, hey, don't buy this thing, it's not whatsoever. So make sure that you have made a research and you know this product. And like myself, the products that I'm recommending, I'm actually like a result of the products that I'm selling. I'm actually also using the same products. I'm also one of the funded traders who are there. So I'm actually like, I know a lot about what is happening, so I can provide even answers. You get it? So that's the main thing about this thing. So there are actually many ways you guys can make money from YouTube. Even if you haven't yet get monetized, even if you have less subscribers or less whatever, just make content and never stop. You can utilize your social media handles, like, I mean, you can utilize your social media pages like Facebook, YouTube, and many other to make this thing work. Otherwise, I'm only comfortable talking about this because I know and I've done it before. But I'll make more research to find out many other websites that you can sign up with and be able to recommend people. Yeah, so if you also know like a channel that, I mean, if you also know like a website that has also a partner program and it's in the finance related to the content that I make, just let me know. I would love to check them out and also sign up. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have really found value from this video, click on the like button, the subscribe button, and share these videos with friends. Otherwise, I appreciate you and see you in the next video. Good day.